Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 7 measurement part 8 subtraction of weight. You learn about the measurement table of weight. Again I repeat the measurement table of weight. Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Okay, bigger to smaller, the basic unit is gram. Bigger to smaller we multiply, or smaller to bigger we divide. Today we study the subtraction, how to subtract the weight of a measurement. 8 kg, 750 gram from 15 kg, 350 gram. Listen, 8 kg, 750 gram from 15 kg, 350 gram. Which weight come here from? Here our question is subtract. Subtract 8 kg, 750 gram from 15 kg, 350 gram. First you, which weight come here? From come here. Therefore, you write the second number right in first. That is, you make a 2 column kg and gram. First you make a 2 column kg and gram. Now the second number is 15 kg, 350 gram. You write kg 15 and 350 gram. Then you write the first number 8 kg, 750 gram. Now you subtract this number. First, 0 take away from 0, you get 0. 5 take away from 5, you get 0. Then 7 take away from 3, this is possible? No. You take, borrow, this cut 4, this cut 13. Understand you? Now you take away, 7 take away from 13, you get 6. Here 8 take away from 4, this is possible? No. You take, borrow, this cut 4, here cut 0, this come in 14. Now you subtract this number, 8 take away from 14, you get 6. Our answer is 6 kg, 600 gram. Now another question. Subtract 4 gram, 125 mg from 8 gram, 250 mg. Again look here. Which weight come here? From come here. Therefore, which number write in first? This second number write in first. 2 column. Now our unit is changed, gram and mg. You make a gram mg. Then which number write in first? 8 and 250. Here 4, then 125. Now we subtract the number. Then 5 take away from 0. This is possible? No. You take borrow, here cut 10. Okay. Now you subtract 5 take away from 10, you get 5. Then 2 take away from 4, you get 2. 1 take away from 2, you get 1. Now here 4 take away from 8, you get 4. Our answer is 4 gram 125 mg. Now next, find the difference. Find the difference. Read the question. Find the difference. 8 kg 500 gram minus and 9 kg 350 gram. Listen, here question change. Sentences change here. Find the difference. This is also subtraction. Find the difference. First you read the number 8 kg 500 gram and 9 kg 350 gram. Which number is here bigger? This number is bigger. Therefore, you write this number in first. Understand you? Which number is greater here? This number 9 kg 350 gram is greater. Therefore, you write this number in first. Again you make kg and gram, 2 columns. 9 kg 350 gram. Then 8 kg, then 500. Now you subtract the number. Now 0 take away from 0, you get 0. 0 take away from 5, you get 5. 5 take away from 3, this is possible? No. You take borrow, this cut 8, this cut 13. Now you subtract 5 take away from 13, you get 8. Then our answer is 850 gram only. Next question. Seven mg 450 gram and 12 mg 500 gram. Again you look here, find the difference. Again 7 mg, sorry, here gram, here mg, here also gram and mg. Here 7 gram 450 mg and 12 gram 500 mg. Which number is greater here? This. Therefore, you write 12 gram 500 mg, write in first. 2 column gram and mg. Okay. Here write 12, here write 500. Then minus 7, 450. Now subtract the number. 0, then 5 is take away from 0, this is possible, then not cut it here, then 10, you come 5, here 0, here 7 take away from 2, this is possible, no, you this cut 0 here, this 12, then 5. Our answer is 5 gram 50 mg. You understand this? Then next, subtract. kg 200 gram minus 11 kg 300 gram. Here which number is greater? This is greater. You write kg, gram, 15, 200, here 11, 300. Then subtract this number. Then 0, 0, then 3 take away from 2. This is possible? No. You take borrow this 4, this cut 12. Okay. Then now you subtract this number. 3 take away from 12, you get 9. 1 take away from 9, you get 3, then 0. Our answer is 3 kg 900 gram. Then kg into, you convert this kg into gram. The length of road is, the length of, the weight of, the weight problem, the weight of a book is, the weight of a book is 50 gram. Convert into milligram. Read the question. The weight of a book is 50 gram. Convert into milligram. First we write the table. You know the table: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Our question is gram. Gram into milligram. This is our gram. Gram into milligram. Bigger unit into smaller unit, we multiply. Bigger into smaller, we multiply. 50 gram. 50 gram into milligram. This is our short form of the question. Then, first 1 gram is equal to, 1 gram is equal to how many? How much milligram? 1000 mg. Then 50 gram is equal to 50 into 1000 mg is equal to 50,000 mg. Answer is 50,000 mg. Then another question. Another question. the weight of an apple is 750 gram. Convert into kg. Convert into kg. First, here gram, here kg, here we divide by 1000. Then 700 gram into kg. Okay. Now 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. We have how many gram? 750 gram is equal to 750 upon 1000. Then we remove 3 digits. What is your answer? 0.750 kg. Understand you? You do this homework. Question 2 A to C, question 4 A to D of exercise 7.9. Thank you.